So, we are now at McDonald's and David is sleepy. After the vaccine, he is sleepy. Sabi ni Doktora, masyado daw mabigat si David. So, kung naubos daw ang kanyang multivitamin, silin na lang.
Kakalitan na lang.
Si Obert nagbabasa ng paper. Oh, sleepy pa si David. Okay. Later na. Smiling.
Korea, bakit